Ladies and gentlemen, the following contest is set for one fall.
One fall!
Some powers of the mind. Bending thoughts through space and time. Leaving everyone you tried 1,000 times. Hurt me when I was young.
Oh, baby! it's herbal tea.
Ladies and gentlemen, the following contest is for the SPW Sons of Liberty Championship. Introducing the challenger, formerly of Harvard University, Chris Spratt. Excuse me, Christopher Spratt. His opponent, he is the SPW Sons of Liberty Champion from Cranston, Rhode Island, Cabral.
Give him a sobriety test!
No, I'm fine.
That's what they all say. Come on, flashlight for his eyes!
I'm telling you, it's herbal tea.
You're supposed to run.
It's from Uruguay. I'm good. I'm ready. I'm ready.
With them out! What degree do you have from Harvard? Come on.
Maybe you should. No, I'm fine. I am perfectly fine.
Yale's better!
You have a GPA of 0.
Shut up.
True! That's true!
You know,
That's why
it's all your fault. I am like this.
Come on, man.
You were nothing without me.
You can't blame him for what's
I
happening.
should be from Harvard still.
Look what happened, buddy!
I should be the champion.
The champion!
Stop
Stop
mocking
copying
me.
Stop copying me! Come on!
I said shut up.
Shut up! You have to say! Shut up!
Shut up.
You shut up! Hey.
Maybe you should lay off the floodgates.
Spratt, what's wrong, man?
Maybe harder next time.
Kind of stinks on you. Get him out of here. Thank you. Go inside.
I'm good.
Sure?
Yeah.
Hey! Go!
Oh.
Corner, in the corner, right? Yeah!
Why is the room spinning? Ah.
Swinging the purple tea! It'll help you! Ah! Come on, go. Hey, hey.
You sound like a beached whale.
Back on your fight.
Hey,
come in.
You sound like a beach whale. Come on.
Keep him back! Keep him back!
Tiger's just
Come on.
for you. Don't lose your cool.
I'm fine.
Don't forget to slush this time.
You hang out, relax together, bro. This is for the Sons of Liberty Championship.
Yeah.
Relax. Keep your head straight.
What?
Right,
No.
right.
What is that?
Get him high. It's my team.
No.
You took a puff of it last night.
No, I don't need that. I don't need that. Get away. I don't need that.
Ladies and gentlemen, your winner, and still the SPW Sons of Liberty champion,
Oh, there it is.
Damien, you're going to give us the big
We're good. It's herbal tea. It's herbal tea.
We'll get you some real herbal tea.
No, this is herbal tea.
All right.